Yep.
So I see you plowing with this instrument.
Yep.
What is the name of this instrument?
The tractor would be a Fendt 1038, and we have a Huel 6300 or 7,300 gallon tank with a set of ZML injectors to incorporate the manure into the ground to restrict odor and to save more of the nutrients.
How many times you plow?
Most applications it's one time across before you plant a crop, and then after maybe you do it again. So it's normally just one time per crop year. So some applications would be different, but yeah.
Somebody's coming with every land will be ready for planting, right?
Yep.
Now you have a name?
I'd rather not say that on here, but yeah, I'm local here.
Local.
So yeah.
This is your own land or?
No, this would be, we're doing this as a custom job for this farmer. Yeah.
This guy? This Chabot?
Yeah, we do his manure hauling for him.
You guys work together, right?
Yep. He
Thank you so much.
pays us to come haul his manure.
Appreciate you.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Hey, you too.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.